Right, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned in the last episode, back onto the carbs for part 2 of the carb revisit. Big thank you to everyone that's messaged, commented. I've had so much response, it's absolutely phenomenal. Many of you have come up with different suggestions, different ideas, bits you've seen, bits I've missed, which is absolutely brilliant. I've actually now dug out the actual feature picture, and a lot of you have mentioned that. Let me open this up. Yeah, I'm actually missing these two rubbers. Which on the carbs sit there and there. Now I've gone back through the videos of when I initially took all these apart and I can't see them. I've trawled through, I mean it did take a while because it's quite a lot of footage, but I've trawled through and I can't see them ever being there, so that's probably why they're not there now. So it's possible I can make some. I've probably got some tubing. So today I'm going to split these carbs down, ultrasonic clean out. I have to do them one at a time because obviously it's only a small capacity. It will take one carb at a time, but it's not going to hurt to actually put the whole lot back through. They have gone through this once already, but hopefully that will give them another clean out. All the internal parts I've already gone through, they've been done, so I've just got to now break down the carbs and actually put them through, and I'll lay everything out as we take it apart. So everything is how we left it in a previous episode. I've started to unloosen the main bracket at the back, because I think when everybody was saying that there was a couple of people, I believe it was Brian and Mark, so big shout out to you two, thank you so much. I actually thought you were referring to these rubbers in here, which I'm thinking, well, they're there, not realising that these two should also be connected. So next job is basically finish unscrewing the main bracket at the back, and then I'll run each one through the ultrasonic. Obviously I can't film, as I've said before, when this is on. It makes one hell of a racket. So what I'll do is I'll break them down on camera, go off camera to actually run them through, and then bring you back when all of these have actually been done. Right, so obviously because I've got these the other way round as they're laid out, actually that way, so I need to reverse everything. So I've started to undo the actual screws in the back. Yeah, so that's to there is the connection I'm missing. So that's all the carbs broken down. I've just got to remove the actual choke plungers. Always seems to be one that gives you a problem. Right, well this one is being an absolute pain. That plunger is jammed. I was trying to get the small circlip off the end. That actually snapped, but it's crushed the actual, well, that's what it should look like. That's what it looks like now. That's the nut underneath and the spring. So this is stuck. So again, another thing that's probably not helping the situation. So now I've got to try and find another plunger, but I need to get this one out. So I'm going to soak this for a while, see if I can get that out, and then I've got to remove these rubbers from either side, and then I'll get the ultrasonic going while I'm trying to get that plunger out and run them through. So join me again when I've got, hopefully, all four and this plunger removed. So that's now all of them that have gone through ultrasonic. Every single piece now has gone through. Again, not pretty. That's not brilliant either, but I say stuff has come up a lot cleaner. I've gone through all every hole, jet, to make sure that everything is clean through. I've managed to find a piece of pipe, so I need to get another choke plunger. The rest of them seem okay, they've cleaned up quite well, but yeah, that one was just jammed. So probably before the next episode, I think we'll actually reassemble next episode. I'll actually go down inside the actual plunger ports and see if I can get them clean. I've managed to get the ends quite clean, but it was why that one was sticking. It's quite caked up. So the only other thing I'll check before the next episode is the actual needle and the clip to make sure it's on the right height. I just want to go through everything. I think it was Patron that mentioned just double check just to make sure they are, so thanks for that, Patron. I say every comment is much appreciated. Well, no, so everything's gone through. That's taken a while. They've had about 20 minutes each, and obviously I can only get one in at a time. But as clean as I can get them. So like I say, keep commenting, keep giving me the feedback. If I've missed something, let me know. I was not aware of obviously I've got to cut this down, of the piece of pipe joining the two, and yeah, it's in the feast picture and I just didn't notice it. I say everything is together. I have got some new floats, so we'll change them out and put them in. All the jets, they were all new when it was put back together. So like I say, it's just the needle circlip heights which I'll check out. But hopefully, cross fingers, when these go back together, hopefully with everybody's help, which I really appreciate, it should. I can't see why it can't work. Obviously that was causing the problem, not having it. But again, that's actually the second time now, or second or third, second time I think that they've actually gone through ultrasonic, and still more junk came through. So I think we'll wrap it up there for today. I'll leave these in the position they are. They are the right ones for the right carbs. Obviously the pipe I need to cut and measure it, and then it's just the plunger. Right, so I'm happy with, as I say, how things have gone so far. I've just got to check the actual needle circlips and make sure they're in the right place. So I've gone through everything, it's just the actual where the choke plungers go. I just want to give them a better clean up inside. They actually look pretty good, but I may just soak them again just to make sure, but everything else seems to be as it should. Again, comments in the comments box below. You can get me on Facebook, you can private message me, whatever you feel comfortable with. I've had many people that will go either way. It's, if you want to comment on YouTube, fine. Facebook, link in the description, pop across there. You can either leave me a message on the page or private message me. What I say, I don't mind either way. Everybody has their own. But I say, the amount of people, there's too many names to name. but there's been so many that have given me helpful advice, tips. This has been missed, that's been missed. There's people in a similar situation. As I've always said, none of my videos are how to. I learn as I go. I make mistakes. But that's what helps everybody else. They can see that, oh, he's made a mistake. There's obviously, you know, a way around it. I do try and film as much as I can. Mistakes and all. As I say, that, no, that was my own fault. Missed it completely. As I said, I look back on older videos and I don't recall ever seeing it. I mean, please correct me if I'm wrong. If you do see it, then it's obviously, you know, a mistake by myself. But next episode, I'll actually start reassembling, putting back together, and hopefully get them into the bike. How long it'll be before I actually start to reassemble, I don't know. It could be a week or so, because obviously I need to jump back on the Triumph as soon as them parts arrive, and then I can get that finished. But we will revisit this as soon as possible. I do like to give people time to actually give me their feedback, give me their comments, spot something that I've missed. But I think this time, I say I'll get another plunger ordered if I can find one. But no, big fingers crossed when they go back in. Hopefully everything will be alright. So next episode, more than likely be back on the Triumph. So I'm just waiting for them parts to arrive. There are links to other videos at the end of the video. As always, appreciate your support. Big thank you to all the subscribers, likers, non-subscribers, followers, patrons, everybody that helps. It means a great deal. Keep the comments coming, keep the likes, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of any future videos. I upload twice a week, once on a Wednesday, once on a Saturday. Many of the builds I do try and share on forums. You know, hopefully it helps people there, or they can give me advice and I can help them. So again, big thank you. Join me again next time. Cheers. Bye.